Here I have FairPhone 3, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the sound section, and here you can find phone ringtone. You can select one of these pre-installed ringtones. You can add your own one by selecting an audio file from your phone's memory, if you have one of course. You can just set up it without any sound. I would propose you to listen some of these ringtones, but I already know which one is the best. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.